I'm against playing cricket with Pakistan. It's pointless. But these Pakistanis keep coming and then they behaved like fools. It was never about cricket. Anyway, it was about a terror state, ladies and gentlemen, bowling and batting at the very nation it has repeatedly targeted with terror. I've stood firm on this since the very beginning. This match should not have taken place. And yesterday, it proved it right. Because the Pakistani players crossed all limits. They lose the war and then they think they are firing with their bats. This fool, Sahibzada Farhan, held his bat like a gun. Haris Rauf mimicked a fighter jet crash and flashed a so-called 06. At the end of the day, these idiots ended up losing. A country of losers. Just a lot of drama and complete filth. Hamid, what was this? You saw this General Bakshi yesterday? This game shouldn't have been played, but they were making an ass of themselves.
Look,
yesterday, General Bakshi,
India,
did you see they were making a complete ass of themselves? Aur uske baad haar jana, General Bakshi. After that, to lose again. Losers.
It is, okay.
Losers. General Bakshi. General Bakshi, General Bakshi. No, I'm not. I'm talking to General Bakshi. I'm not even
stupid match. This stupid match should not have been played. These are a disgusting set of people, murderers, looters, and they are now taken to bombing their Pashtun population as they were doing in Bangladesh. They are going to repeat Bangladesh very soon. Their last moments are nigh. The end of this country is nigh. Their Pakistan army chief has become the trader-in-chief, trying to sell the oil of Baluchistan, trying to sell the gold, tungsten, copper and rare earths, which have still not been found, to arch-trader Donald Trump. He thinks he will please him by opening his Munir and Sons, trading company. He's opened a bloody trading company. He can't decide whether he's an army chief or a trader-in-chief, right? This man wants to be president of Pakistan. My God. My God. I pity your country. Raja, frankly, my condolences in advance to you. You are heading for trouble, self-invited. You have taken to killing women and children. आपको आह लगेगी. आप समझे राजा साहब? आपको औरतों और बच्चों की पख्तून औरतों और बच्चों की आह लगेगी. तुमको आह लगेगी. एक बॉम्ब नहीं, 8 बॉम्ब गिराए हैं यार. वो गांव में तबाही कर दी है तुमने. ये कोई तरीका है लड़ने का? हमने भी काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी लड़ी है साहब. हमने कभी अपनी राइफल के ऊपर नहीं गए. राइफल और स्टेन मशीन कार्बाइन, ठीक है. आप तो तोफे चलवाते हो गांव के ऊपर. आप F-16 तैयारे भेजते हो. आज आपने 8 बॉम्ब गिराए हैं. 8 लेजर गाइडेड बॉम्ब ऑन वन पुअर पख्तून विलेज.
नहीं, ये
वो तुमको आ लगेगी. वो जो औरतें बच्चे मरे हैं ना, उनकी आ लगेगी तुमको. तुम्हारा मुल्क नहीं रहेगा. तुम्हारे आखिरी दिन आ गए हैं. मेरे तुम बात गिटान बांध के रख लो.
अच्छा जी,
गिटान बांध के रख ले राजा फैसल. तुमको उन औरतों बच्चों की आह